In this demo, I'll show you how to navigate the key features of Family Wallet, a mobile-first Web3 wallet that gives you total ownership over your assets. First, open Family Wallet on your phone. You'll see tokens, and if you click collectibles, you'll see your collectibles. You'll also see how much money or value is in your wallet at the top right. To have a larger display for that, click the 3 buttons at the top of your wallet and select Large Display. You can take some quick actions by selecting the plus sign in the bottom right of your wallet. If you click on that, you'll see that you can send tokens, swap tokens directly in your wallet, receive tokens, and you can actually purchase crypto with a credit card. This is only available in the US and the EU. Next, if you click on the 3 buttons in the top right, you can go to Settings. You'll see Connect, which shows you what apps your wallet's connected to. Backup, to back up your secret recovery phrase. Approvals, to see if you have any approvals out. Notifications, you can enable them or disable them. Trash, to see if anything ended up there. And finally, Options, to either reveal your private key or your secret recovery phrase. Next, we'll go over the 3 buttons on the bottom. If you click on the clock, it will show you your transaction history. If you click on the wallet, it shows you your tokens and your collectibles. If you click on the browser, the last icon, you can actually browse the Web3 internet. If you click on Zora, you're automatically connected to the Zora application and you can mint NFTs here. Click on the wallet to go back to your wallet and select the message bubble in the top right to enable chat to send messages to your friends. You can select the square in the top right to connect your mobile wallet to an application running in your browser. Once you scan the QR code, you'll select Connect, and then you'll also have to confirm that you want to connect to that application, and now you're connected to an application in your browser. These were some of the key features of Family Wallet. This will enable you to easily manage your assets and navigate Web3.